Hey folks, welcome back to my channel where I teach you everything you need to know about blockchain technology. And I'm back today with another video on Ethereum and also the ERC20 token, which I talked about last week. Today I'm going to teach you how to deploy your own ERC20 token. It's super easy. I actually am making this video because of a conversation I had with one of my viewers. So shout outs to Giovanni. We had a nice little chat on Google Hangouts about his project and his ERC20 token. And so gave me the idea for this video to show you how to make your own ERC20 token to represent anything you want on the Ethereum blockchain. Like I said, it's super easy, and I'm going to show you how you can go from zero to deploying your ERC20 token live in less than 5 minutes. Let's check it out. All right, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to go to ethereum.org and we're going to check out their minimum viable token page. And this page is a tutorial to do exactly what we're doing here today, deploying our own ERC20 token. So go to this page, ethereum.org/token, and scroll down until, so we've got the minimum viable token. This one actually doesn't fulfill all of the requirements or all the standard functions in ERC20 token. Go check out my previous video after you watch this one about the ERC20 token where I walk through all of the source code. But here is a much fuller representation of an ERC20 standard token. So this is what we're going to use here, this more complete code. So just copy and paste this contract right here into your text editor. And then go into your text editor and we're going to go ahead and we're going to customize some of the settings. So the token we're going to create today is a true utility token. It's the backrub coin. So as you see here, I've set the name of the coin to backrub coin and the symbol to rub. Decimals 18, that's the standard, and we're going to make 100 of these. So this token is a true utility. If you get a hold of this token, it's good for one free backrub from me. And I'll be giving all of these tokens to my wife. So it's truly a rare and valuable token. So once you get those settings in, we're going to go over to Remix. And Remix is the official Ethereum IDE developer tool. And what we're going to do is we're going to connect Remix to our local file system. So here I'm in my project directory. And I'm going to run a command called remixd. Remixd is a little web server that allows the Remix web-based code editor to access files on my local hard drive. So I use TAC-S to indicate the shared drive. Dot means this folder. Wait for that to boot up. Okay, it's booted up. Now I go back into Remix and I click this little chain link thing right here to link it to localhost. Once I do that, bam, here's my rub coin. So we've got the rub coin here. It's got the edits that we just made. And over here we see a deploy function. Let's take a look at the deploy function real quick. So this function, which is named the same as our token class here, token ERC20, that's the constructor. So this is the function that gets called when you deploy the contract. It takes 3 arguments, the initial supply, the token name, and the token symbol. So we'll go ahead and put what I put in before, which is 100 tokens. The name is backrub coin, and the symbol is rub. So once you click that, click deploy, it's going to create the transaction. It's going to bring up MetaMask with the confirmation dialog. And note that I'm on Rinkeby Test Network. Rinkeby Test Network is a Ethereum testnet. It allows you to try out your smart contracts and things for free. They give out free Rinkeby Ether. That's not worth anything, so it's very nice for testing purposes. Go ahead and click confirm. Once we do that, we'll be able to see in our history here somewhere. Let's see. In our history here, there it is. So we've submitted the contract. We'll go ahead and check it out on Etherscan. You can see here it's at rinkeby.etherscan.io. And we're just waiting for our transaction to get mined now. So once the transaction is mined, we're going to go ahead and take the contract address and input it into MetaMask, and then MetaMask is going to show us how many tokens we hold of our newly created back-rub coin ERC20 token. All right, so it's been mined, and you can see here the contract was created. So I'll go ahead and click there. This is my contract on Etherscan, and I will copy the address. I'm going to go back into MetaMask and click Add Token. And then I'm going to click Custom Token, and I'm just going to go ahead and paste in the address. Now we can see that it worked because it automatically loaded the symbol, rub, and the decimals that were set in the contract. So we'll click Next. And look, it shows that we have a balance of 100 back rub coins. So I go ahead and click Add Token. And now if I wanted to send these to someone, I just click there. I'll send 10 back rubs to someone, and I'll have to pay a little bit of Ether to make the transaction, and I can go ahead and send that to whoever, just my wife. So that's how easy it is to create your own ERC20 token. If you had any difficulties in this, let me know in the comments. What kind of token are you going to create? What's the utility behind your token? Where's that value? Is it good for a foot rub maybe? Is it good for taking out the garbage? Whatever it's good for, let me know in the comments, and thanks for watching. All right, everyone, thanks for watching. If you found this video useful, please give me a like and a subscribe. That will help other people like you to be able to find this video and get the information they need. Once again, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.